Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This job lead is going to be processing orders, and not only are they paying you to do the job, but they're also offering an upfront cash sign-on bonus of $1,500. So any extra money that we can just get for having the job and not actually having to put those hours in is always worth it. The company is 1A Auto Parts. The links to all these pages are in the YouTube description box below this video. And of course, if you enjoy job leads like this, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up like button. If you know anybody who could benefit from this, please share with them because we all want to work from home and live our happiest, healthiest life. Now, 1A Auto Parts has 119 reviews on Glassdoor with a 4.0 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring a customer service representatives. This is going to be a standard customer service job on the phones. You'll be taking those orders and processing them, but they are giving a $1,500 sign-on bonus. Now, there are no stipulations in the job description that state this sign-on bonus will be disbursed after certain time periods, so it sounds like it is upfront $1,500. The pay is up to $20 an hour. Now, while they are hiring remote for the United States, they need somebody specifically who can work Eastern Standard Time hours, 11:30 a.m. to 8 p.m. 4 days a week, and then 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. every Saturday. So this is going to require some weekend work. But now 1A Auto is a growing e-commerce company in, of course, the auto parts industry. They are looking for somebody to have direct interaction with their customers by phone, recommending products, resolving any inquiries, and processing orders while maintaining a high level of service. So you're going to respond to these calls. They say they have a high call volume environment. You'll work with customers to resolve any issues on any orders that they have had. You'll do website order processing. You'll screen for fraud, handle any order returns, ensuring just the accuracy in the overall processing of all customer orders, communicating and providing those input on customer issues to the quality department. So just taking and processing orders, of course, dealing with any issues with orders as well. Now, they only require a high school diploma or GED and 2 to 3 years of customer service experience. They do prefer that to be in a call center type environment. They want somebody who's familiar with web ordering and fraud screening, someone who is detail-oriented and self-motivated. Now, you also have to be able to work in a fast-paced environment with great communication skills. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. Even if I'm not always responding, I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like button if you enjoyed it. Share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.